Okay, here we go. If we do the Minmus lander mission, I feel like I'm gonna need some extra fuel here. Just getting a feeling. What's this look like? Oh yeah. Totally gonna make this the moon takeoff one. We'll see how that does for us, I suppose. Could certainly make a lander plate for it, but I think I'll have plenty. So we will do the moon lander mission. And again, we don't want to send an engineer, we want to send a scientist. And I'm going to save this, but before that, we're going to leave because I think I can get a better probe. Because I got 1300. Yes, this probe will give us prograde and retrograde hold. So I'm definitely taking this. We can have some better lander stuff. We even get like a mobile processing lab. This will open up some missions for going out to outposts. And extra storage units and stuff like that. So better engines. Ooh, I could probably step up to a mainsail on the Rockomex. Definitely going to take this because these will give me some really good engines. We also have some really good radial mounted engines, separation units. This will be all the actuators, so we get some robotics. Those are cool to play with, but I don't know that I need them right away. Oh, definitely some good things going on here. Yep, I think I'm getting it. Ooh, these are getting into some expensive stuff. Better reaction wheels for the bigger stuff. Larger mounted propellant tanks for bigger stuff. Definitely some better landing struts. Because I think... Did we not get like a bigger landing can somewhere? Oh, yeah. We can get the large landing can and the large landing struts. You even get this really cool looking lander. So we'll do that. External command seat. I think there's some other things I would take before that. Like, I mean, there's some things where we can condense a lot of our fuel tanks into certain things, but I don't know. I don't know if I need any of this stuff right now. This would be cool for a couple like Apollo style takeoff units and things like that. Oh wow. Let's see, anything down here in the power department? Oh, very large solar arrays, large thermal control systems, fuel cells. This converts fuel into energy. large battery packs. For sure. This will give us some science. Like, this is science and this is extra science. I definitely think that this is actually the way to go, because this will help us fill out our tree better. So with that being the case, I'll probably get a lot more on the way back. So let's upgrade a little bit. There's a few things to do. One, I can take this away temporarily. I don't like grabbing it there. I like grabbing it at the dock port. And then get rid of that, and we will put the newer oh yeah, that's way nicer. Because with just one individual inside and being a scientist, it's a lot easier to hold that retrograde if, of course, you know, you have the ability to do so. So I wanted to add on another piece of equipment, a seismograph. Onto the science kit, and then while we're in orbit, one of these bad lads, and there we go. And this is kind of nice because you can actually, you don't have to let it set outside like that. You can actually set it in. So I'm going to turn off my snap toggle. You can also press C for that, and jam it in there. Looks nice. Okay. Then some other things we can fix about this craft is that those engines really weren't cutting the mustard. I mean, they were. They were doing an okay job. But now I feel like in the same thing, we have these which are giving me a little bit more thrust, but these are more fuel efficient. So I think I did that backwards. I think I do want to keep these here. Right? But my efficiency was way down, and I wanted these to be replaced with these because they're more efficient. So if I look, these use up 8 units per second, where these use like 11. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a smaller footprint, that's for sure. This is the larger of those. The skipper doesn't do too bad. It's got a lot of thrust. But the mainsail is where it's at. I think I'm going to be upgrading the skiff is too large. Unless... No. Yeah. Definitely want to get something going. I guess we'll put the shroud on it. Okay. Yeah, this is for the larger rocket parts for sure. But what can get changed out is this. Put more fuel under there. Even though it soaks up more fuel overall, I'm getting, what is it, 1400 versus 600, so getting twice the thrust out of this. Chances are I won't have to do as much thrust at the beginning. And I do have something in there for control. Yeah, I didn't really add any control level items for this. Let's put some monopropellant tanks on this. I'm going to actually inset them into the part here. And then take a look at the center of mass, because when you do your control thrusters, you kind of want to put them equally above and below the center of mass. Hold Alt. I don't like putting these on the corners, because you don't get the directly into the body shot there. Alright, so let's reattach everything. Reattach this. These obviously have to get reattached, because it has to be strutted up or it'll be all wobbly and funky. And then this I can pick up from the, so close to the ground. Why is it taller now? See, the feet now are sticking out of the cowling. That didn't do that before. Why is it doing it now? Oh, I probably put a taller engine on it. Huh. 3-piece clamshell. Dink. Where's this at? Oh, it's that. Yeah, that's going to be way after. So this will go in here. These will go in here. This will go down here. These 4 go down here. I got 1. Okay, yeah. Dink, 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 dink. Let's do this first. Chances are I'm probably going to make it to like a orbit altitude prior to getting this engine involved. But this will go, and then this will go, and then this is one of the final stages. So really, that engine kind of is going to be on its own because it's going to be part of my lander, so I won't really ever utilize it. And since I can do basic action groups now, I'm going to put these here. Into action group 1. Toggle solar panel. So every time I hit 1, it'll go on and off. But then, go into construction mode, get rid of this temporarily. We can do the ones that have animations on their own. Observe mystery goo. Conduct material study. Okay. And then for this, we can do it on 3. Log pressure data. Log temperature. Log seismic data. Oh, that's going to be on the planet. I don't think I can do that one, but I think I'll just have to do that when I get down to the planet. Maybe that'll be a number 4. Yeah. And then 5 can be extend boom. Well, how about we toggle? So 5 can be in and out, 6 can be run the magneto report. Perfect. Build. There we go. Save it. Verify our people. There's a scientist and a pilot, and it is. And then I am too heavy. So I think I might spend some cash upgrading the launch pad rather than try to shave weight, because it's only 282,000. That's a lot. That's too much. I can't even afford that. That's going to be too expensive. Okay. Got some expensive equipment on here. It's an 82,000 credit plus rocket. without much coming back. Huh. Well then. All right, let's see. Alright, next video, I suppose we'll see us launch this. That's just was the process of building the rocket, and we'll see where this goes afterwards. Catch ya for next time.